Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We're going to perform a workshop about uniform accelerated motion, free fall, and parabolic motion. That has a lot of motion here. So we have here these 5 exercises, no more. This is going to be all of this and no more. And each one of this, it's about these topics. Only one of this, it's about parabolic motion, okay? Because I know we saw it into our class of reinforcement. So I know it's not fair to do exercise about it, okay? So it's only one of this and it's only conceptual, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind and good luck because you're going to need it. Okay, no, you're not going to need it. Indeed, the only thing you're going to need is your notebook. If you have all the exercises we already made in your notebook, you have everything. You don't need anything else. And don't forget your formulas and your calculator because you're going to need it, okay? Bye-bye.